Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix desktop icons not working in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at your keyboard, press Windows and R key together to open Run. Here you need to type app data and click on OK to proceed. So here at the app data, you would be able to see three folders, which are local, localo, and roaming. Click on local. And here you need to proceed on view, go with show, and then make sure that this hidden items is checked. Okay. So once done, just have to make sure that it is checked. Okay. And you need to scroll down and look for a name here, iconcache. So in my case, I don't have such since I have deleted it earlier. Okay. So in your case, you have that, I'm sure. Okay. Just have to delete it. Okay. And let's say if you don't see any, then go with the three dots, click on options, go with view, and make sure that this box, which is hide protected operating system, is unchecked. Click on yes, and then click on apply, and then okay. So here, check again if there you can see an icon cached, and I'm sure you'll be able to see it. Just try to delete it and then close this window and then proceed to our next step. So our next step is at the start icon, you need to do a right click, scroll up and go with Task Manager. So here at the Task Manager, just have to expand it first and y- go with processes. Okay, and here you need to look for Windows Explorer. So it might be running under the apps, under the background processes, or maybe at the Windows processes. So if you are having a hard time on locating such, just use this tool and then search for Windows Explorer. So there you can find the result. Just click it, do a right click, and go with restart. So once you have restarted your Windows Explorer, check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed. Okay. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.